Legacy 2.0 has arrived, guys. So why am I so excited about this? Why do I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning to attend a call that tells us about it? Because you are not going to believe what you're going to get with Legacy 2.0. So, first of all, you get certified in the digital marketing space. You will be certified, you will be the expert, and you will have the opportunity to really be able to learn exactly how to go about marketing this business. You get weekly, like the cost of this is like 900, right? And all you do is pay $39 for your website. That is all done for you, for the certification information so you can get certified, for live interactive weekly coaching calls, more than one a week if you want them, and real-time coaching, answering all your questions, full support, 120% full support. I've never had support like this before. It's amazing. Automated email marketing system done for you, a content vault so that you can literally know what works best to market the business for you. $1 million coaching from a multiple seven figure earner, and proven system, step by step, a done for you email marketing system, fast track to profit, pre-built website, daily income, recurring revenue strategies. Like, this is so amazing. You don't get that with anything else. You pay thousands and thousands of dollars for that. So it's not for you if you don't want to put any effort in, if you don't want to take action, if you don't want to be, if you're not coachable. Like, there's so many reasons why you wouldn't join this. However, the 2.0 will be here. You pay $39 for all these extra inclusive opportunities within this program. Honestly, guys, this is something worth sitting down and really looking at. It's amazing. And I'm learning things at 67 I never thought I'd learn. If I can do it, you can do it. So if you are tired of sitting around and wondering whether you'll ever retire, if you're tired of sitting around wondering if you'll ever have your time back, all this is in 2 hours a day. So get on board. Now is the time. Do it all now. And honestly, just lap up the information and the learnings and the ability to earn daily. I'll see you on the flip side.